It is 4:26 in the morning. We are in the middle of summer at school tomorrow, and yet it's freaking raining. Hella. Like, we saw 2 flashes of light, like, wake us up, and then we saw 2 more, and, like, I was staring out the window for, like, half an hour, wondering, like, what the hell, and then all of a sudden, like, I'm not joking, it didn't even, like, start sprinkling real quick, it just started freaking quickly, like, started freaking pouring. Like, look at this. The hell is this? Like, the streets are already, like, getting a little damp. Dang. What the heck? I don't know. This is, like, really weird. And, like, we heard thunder and everything, too. Like, even before it started raining. Like, half an hour before it started raining. I don't know. That's a little weird. My brother's closing his car right now. His windows are open.
Come on, Mommy.